Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you're gonna watch me give myself a at-home belly facial. I actually found this on Instagram, like scrolling through Instagram. I just seen a lot of estheticians giving pregnant women belly facials, and I was like, "Oh, let me try this at home." And let me just tell you, it felt really good. Like afterwards, my belly was so moisturized, it was glowing, and it just felt really good and relaxing. So yep, this step right here, I'm just wetting my belly to get it ready to exfoliate it. To exfoliate, I'm using Dr. Till's Shea Sugar Scrub Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. And I'm just taking a little bit of that and rubbing it all over my belly. Exfoliating, it gets rid of, dead skin, and it just makes your skin really smooth and soft. I'm using my facial steamer as well for just a little bit of steam, not too much. I wasn't too close to the steam. It did not affect my belly, my baby. We took all safety precautions in this video. I'm just wiping the sugar scrub off. Now I'm gonna move on to the mask, Recharge and Restore Moonstone Mask by Quebella, and I'm gonna put this all around my belly. This part felt really good as well, just really relaxing. Rubbing the mask on your belly, it just feels good. I definitely recommend this DIY belly facial for all pregnant mommies. If you just want to relax for an hour or two and you have the time, I definitely recommend giving yourself a belly facial. Okay, so after I let the mask sit for probably about 10 minutes, I'm just gonna wipe it off. Now I'm using the Olay coconut oil to moisturize my belly after the mask. And now I'm going to use some cocoa butter soothing, like spray oil. It helps with, the itchy belly, stretch marks, and scratching. So I'm gonna rub some of that on top of the coconut oil. And just massage your belly. Just take the time and just relax and just, rub your baby, rub your belly. It's a nice bonding moment. And now it's glowing. Thanks for watching. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe.